More Jessica, please, for a little bit of everything. Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Jessica and this is More Jessica, please. Welcome to my channel. You'll see a different change of scenery today at my dad's, multitasking, getting some stuff done, videos filmed. But today we're doing a unboxing, but it's not really an unboxing because it's in a bag. But anywho, I'm gonna open my Patagonia Black Hole 55-liter bag in front of you all so you can see what it looks like. I was looking online at the bags, and from old dude modeling it, I couldn't really get a feel for how big the bag was. So I went into REI. They had some open, but they didn't have this one open. So I'm gonna show you all the real deal. Why I bought the bag. I'm going camping, y'all. Me camping. So if you really know me, you know I'm not an outdoorsy gal. I like outdoors, but I don't want to sleep outdoors. I don't like bugs at all. But I told myself, Jessica, you're going to be in their territory, so I can't kill every bug I see. So when the spider comes into my house, I'm like, oh, you should have stayed outside. But y'all, I'm going to be outside, so I can't kill the spiders. I digress. I'm going camping, and I need something to carry all my stuff in. We're only going to be gone for about 3 days, 2.5 days, so I don't need a lot. So I bought this book bag. The Black Hole 55 liters. I own a Patagonia book bag, so I already know I like their quality. I think I own a 25-liter one. Anywho, this is the bag I bought. I got it from REI. It is $139 if you can see that tag. I did pay full price for it, but one cool thing is I joined REI's membership program. When you join their membership program, you get a $20 gift card if your first purchase is under $100. So if you factor the $20 gift card in, got a little discount. Supposedly you get like a % back return. I haven't seen that come yet, but I had a good experience with REI. I got my book bag. But let's try to get it open, shall we? And see what it looks like for this camping adventure. And y'all, I'm excited about going camping, don't get me wrong. This is me and Bae's like first vacation together. I'm going with him and his family. So not our first solo one, but our first one. So it should be cool. So we'll see. So let me show you all how I'm gonna open this. Supposedly this is the bag's pouch that it's in. I saw a YouTube video and he said that. And y'all, he struggled opening his. So don't judge me if I struggle too. We're gonna move you down. Maybe I shouldn't have put on a V-neck shirt. Y'all probably see all boob. Move this back and let's try to open it here. Gonna do this pouch. You can kind of see the bag in there. Ooh. So, gonna work it out here. Work it out. Work it out. Work it out. It's not that bad, y'all. He was struggling on the video. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. It's a little tight in this area. Why is it so tight? I'm trying to see if anything's like clipped on here that I can take out, but no. So we just gonna keep pulling it out. No wonder these things are like this, hanging up. I wouldn't have it out this wrap up either. If you own this bag, have you ever wrapped it back up? Can y'all see my dog's dirty old bowl? You can. It's about to stay like that too. And you can see the stuff from my last YouTube video. All right. Oh, y'all, I'm struggling. I talked about him too soon. It is hard. I'm sorry, sir. You weren't kidding when you were struggling. I'm struggling. What if Patagonia has a video on the best way to take this thing out? Goodness gracious, that's what y'all should do. Okay, we're making some progress here. We're getting it out. Yay! Okay. Here we are. Bag is undone. Move the camera back up. Alright, so this is the bag all out. Let's undo the handle so we can see it a little better. This is cute. Real cute. And what I like about this bag, you all, one, it is large. It doesn't even fit in the whole frame. It's so large. And it has straps, so you can wear it as a duffel or as a book bag. And if any of y'all fly Spirit, it's the book bag, right? So anywho, that's both of the straps. That's the inside. It has some pockets. Y'all, I really like this. Has little things up here so you can hook stuff to. I want y'all to see how big it is on me, because I couldn't really tell on the guy. And I think that's important, right? Don't you want to know how big it is? So for reference, I am 5'4½". Don't forget my half. Give me my credit. And look how big it is. I like this. So when I put it on, it comes all the way down past my badonkadonk. This is a nice size bag. I'm set for camping. And of course, this Patagonia is quality. Like, come on. So, yes, I'm happy with my purchase. And I didn't get black. I normally get everything black, but I decided to try something different. So this is the 55 liter. It is quite large. And then when I'm not camping, when will I ever camp again, I'll use it as an overnight bag or a little travel bag. So here we are. Here's my bag. Ta-da! Good to go. So once I get this packed up, I'll tell you guys like what I think post-camping. Did it fit everything? Did I have any issues? But so far, good to go for me. Thanks for watching, you all. If you found this fun, helpful, exciting, give it a like. Subscribe if you're interested in how my camping trip goes. I'll be on here getting a vlog. Hopefully I'm not too much of a brat for my boyfriend. But let's not speak that into existence. It's going to be a great trip. We're going to take great pictures. We're going to have a great time. We're going to make s'mores. I'm ready. I can conquer the bugs and the outside. I got this. But alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Again, like, subscribe. I'll hang out with you all later. Bye.